What's up, Glam Boss Gang? You know it's your girl Z, and we're back again with another freaking video. Alright, guys. So today I'll bring you guys on a glam room tour. So I'm basically gonna show you guys my small glam room, yet effective. Okay. So remember, guys. Okay. Oh, also, thanks for the support that you guys have been showing me on my last video. I really appreciate it. I promise to bring a lot more videos coming your way. Just continue supporting. Please, guys, share my videos as best as you can. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification because you don't want to miss any videos. Okay. So for today, like I said, I will be bringing you guys on a tour of my very small glam room. However, I think it's really nice and effective because I do not currently offer, well, I do offer right now in COVID, I don't offer like general services. Okay, so it's only for my content creation and also for where I practice and do all that good jazz. You guys know and understand. Remember to go over my Instagram page and follow me. I'll put the name right here as per usual. Alright, guys, so go watch the intro, come right back, and I'll show you guys what my glam room looks like. So this is the door. We're just gonna push the door. Alright, so this is actually the door for outside if somebody's entering outside. This is where I enter from my household. Okay, so upon entering, you will see my couch, and I tried my best to like decor it with my white cotton material. It's like see-through, and it's really long, so I double layered it, and I put on some pink cushions on there, and also my pink pup that I think is really cute, and it accentuates this little area. So this would be if I was offering general services right now. This would be where my clients wait for me to prep and get ready if I'm working on a different client. All right, going forward, we have my station, and that's what my setup looks like. So backstory of my station, guys. My station is actually an old bookshelf that I painted in full white. So instead of buying a vanity for like $1,000 or something, I literally only paid $25 or $35 for the old bookshelf, and I bought 2 tubs of white paint. So the 2 tubs of white paint together, plus I think a hardener, something to mix the paint, and a paintbrush, I think all came to like $50 most. And someone had these chairs, 4 chairs for $25, and I did the same thing. I paint with the help of my mom, of course. I painted the chair white as well. So guys, when you're starting out, do understand that you can DIY a lot of stuff until you are fully, making money off of and profiting off of your trade and your skill. Then you can go up to, go up to making or buying the more expensive furniture, because it's still effective, it's still comfortable. When I do have people to work on, they never ever complain. And if I do have people with back issues, I do have sofa cushions downstairs that I can put on the chair for them to have a more comfortable experience. All right, so walking further, you'll see my mannequin head. That is what I normally use when I'm making my wigs. I store my BoxyCharm boxes there. I don't know why. I think I might have an idea in place, so I store them there. I just have a small bin there for garbage. Walking forward, I keep my palettes in here. I got this container from my dollar store. It was only $1.50. Sorry, it was only $3 Right, so it was only $3 for this, and I got it because I needed to fit my big palettes from King Beauty's shop in here. So I have my palettes in this section, and I think the casing for the palettes was really cute, so I kept them. All right, moving on to the vanity, I have my brushes. Most of my containers, like this, I think is really cute. It's like a gold bath thing. I got it from my Salvation Army, and I only paid like 50 cents for it. So guys, do shop around. You don't have to necessarily watch what, you know, your everyday influencers have and then buy. These people have money, and so they did start from somewhere, and I want you guys to do the very same as well. All right, this is, it's really heavy, but I'm gonna bring it closer. All right, so this cute thing, I got it from my Salvation Army as well. It was only $1. So I keep some of my smaller palettes in there, and it has like a back section. I keep my smaller brushes in there, and I keep my brushes and comb as well as my cosmetic pads in there. So it looks something like that. Really affordable, as you can see, and it has quite a bit of compact storage area, so you can store a lot of things in there as well, and it still looks cute and presentable on your table. Okay, these things are like miscellaneous things that I picked up from the Salvation Army, and I just made use of them. So I keep my concealers in there, and that's like a pink, like I said, miscellaneous thing. That's another miscellaneous, and it's a smaller one for 50 cents, and this one was for $1, right? And then this one was for $1 as well. So right there and then, guys, you can see that you can legit get storage items at your nearest dollar store, and or your Salvation Army, to, you know, or you can actually like find things around your house to make storage area for your brushes, your lipsticks, your scissors. This came in the Real Techniques when I bought my brushes, and I just used it because that's like a free storage area for me. All right, that mirror right there that you see is for $4, and I got it from my Salvation Army as well. I got that small ring light. It's a set with the holder that you see me currently holding, this thing right here, and it also has, quite a few things. I picked, that's maybe, other than my actual foundations, the most expensive equipment that I have in my studio right now. All right, if you guys didn't know, I do face painting in the summer, except this summer because we all know COVID happened. So I have my face painting posters there, and moving right along, I have some of my foundation, and in here this came with, I think I bought like protein shakes, and this was like a cup with it, so I bought 2 of them. So I just store my lip pencils or my eyebrow pencils in there, and this was another miscellaneous basket that I have. And what I do, I store like glitters in there and some sponges. I have some hair products at the back and some foundation at the front, as well as my moisturizers, blah blah blah, yada yada. I normally keep out foundations for myself because typically I'm only working on myself right now and making content for you guys, so I really don't keep out all my foundations. So that's foundations and stuff. If you notice dark shades like myself. Okay, we're gonna move the chair a bit. If you guys look under there straight ahead, you'll see that container. That container is really good if you're someone that works and travels. Like if you travel to a person's home, it is really good because I'll show you why. It has like a holder in the middle and it has two sides, so you can pack the items that you need for your clients specifically. So instead of traveling with a big case, you can just travel with that. I find it really easy, especially if you drive. You can just drive, pull up at their house, pull this out, and you're all set. That's typically everything would be able to fit in there. I've done it before. I just throw my skill in there because most of my videos I make out here, as you guys can recognize the background. But that foot spa, I have foot spas out here just in case I have a pedicure to get done. I have some lashes out under there. Those are my lashes that I use for my personal use, so I don't mix them with lashes that I've used for other people. Now onto this section. Okay, so that's just a miscellaneous shelving unit that I saw in the basement that I've used to hold my eyeshadows, lip palettes. These are all palettes, as well as contouring. But yeah, as I said, these are all palettes, as well as highlighters. Sorry. So I have highlighters and then my mirrors that I use. Okay, then I bought this really cute and effective holder in Red Apple. I got it for $25. So what I do is to store brushes, my Juvia's Place, and my miscellaneous things that I don't want to use right away in the third drawer. So I'll open the first drawer for you. So those are like extra stuff that I don't need to use right now, so I just put them away. So those are brushes up here, and I'll be stocking up on some more. And then down here I have my Juvia's Place contour sticks or foundation sticks. And the third drawer, that's another palette. So like I said, the third drawer I have reserved for things I don't want to use right away. So when I move and I set up my other studio as perfect as I want it, then I will have like a show space for these things. But until then, they're just gonna stay in that drawer for right now. All right, so on top, that's my makeup brush cleaner. I rarely use it because I feel like the way I've been cleaning my brushes work so much better when I do use this method. I don't like the fact that it still leaves foundation in my brushes, so I've chosen to not use it again, but stick to my old way of using olive oil and dishwashing soap. I think that works effectively, and my brushes always come out the way they should, so I rather using that method. Below that, however, these are my lashes. So I have different kinds of lashes. So simple lashes to thick lashes, bridal lashes to mink lashes, individual lashes. Yeah, so I have lashes right there, and then down there in that green Tupperware cover, I have all my flat irons and curling irons for when I do, like I said, do hair. And those bottom things, I haven't found use for them yet, so as soon as I start buying again and expand my product, I will find use for them. That is also a storage unit that I've picked up as well that has been working really, really good. This funny story, guys, this lamp was what I used the first time I started doing makeup, and that I did not have a ring light, so my quality was really, really off, but it really helped. Okay, so I got my blow dryer up there. So as I said, guys, it's a really small space. However, it's really effective and it gets the job done. Okay, because there's a lot of people that do rent stations, so they don't have like big space like this. So it would just be things that are literally, it would just be, if you were in a station, it would just be the vanity that they rent you, and that's all you basically have as space. Okay, so I do consider myself fortunate and lucky to be able to have all this space. You know what I mean? It's not the best. It's not what I want. I would really want to have a specific room for it. But for right now, the house that we're in is an older form of house. So therefore, I use what I got and what worked for me. Okay. So, all right, guys. So that was all for my studio tour, or my little room studio tour, or studio space that I currently have now. Do understand that, guys, you, especially if you're just starting out, and products are very expensive, things are expensive. However, that should not be a deciding factor for you. Do understand that you can make space wherever you are and make your dreams come through. And that's what I have always honed. I do believe that one should start from somewhere and not consistently procrastinate and find excuses. That is something that I'm a firm believer of. Okay, so with all that being said, I just want to be a ray of motivation for somebody. It doesn't have to look all spruced up and new or renovated like everybody else's. However, you can start from somewhere. There's a lot of profound makeup artists or makeup enthusiasts, whatever that word is. Even influencers that started from little to nothing until they built to something, and they're like a force to be reckoned with today. All right, so that's all for this video, guys. Make sure I really hope you guys liked it, and you guys can drop some ideas as to what I can do next. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications again, guys. Please go over my Instagram and follow me. I love you all. Thank you again for your support. If there's any ideas you guys want to see from me, or any specific thing that you want to see from me, again, please make sure you drop it down in the comments. Okay, guys? Until my next video, love you guys. Bye.